In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and download ChatGPT Invoices. If you need access to your invoice history for bookkeeping, business records, expense reports, or simply to keep track of your payments, the process is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can locate your invoices and save them whenever you need them. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the OpenAI Platform Settings page. If you're not sure where it is, you can search for OpenAI Platform Settings or go directly to the OpenAI platform if you're already familiar with it. Once you've signed in, you'll have access to your account and organization settings. After you arrive on the platform, look for your organization settings. This is where OpenAI stores the account management and billing options associated with your workspace. Click on Organization Settings to continue. If you belong to multiple organizations or workspaces, take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one before moving on. This is important because invoices are connected to a specific organization, and choosing the wrong workspace may prevent you from seeing the billing records you're looking for. Once you've confirmed that you're in the correct organization, find and select the Go to Billing option. This will open the billing section of your account, where you can manage payment information, review subscription details, and access your billing records. After the billing page loads, look for the Billing History section. This is where OpenAI keeps a record of your previous payments and invoices. Open the Billing History page, and you'll see a list of your available billing entries. From there, select the invoice or receipt that you want to view. Depending on your account, the invoice may open in a new page, or you may have the option to save it as a PDF for your records. If you're keeping invoices for accounting, tax documentation, or business expenses, it's a good idea to save the file in a folder where you can easily locate it in the future. Having your invoices organized can make it much easier when it's time to review your expenses or prepare financial documents. If you don't see the invoice you're expecting, double-check that you're signed in to the correct account and that you've selected the correct organization. In many cases, invoices appear to be missing simply because a different workspace or account is currently selected. That's all there is to it. You can now view your billing history and access your ChatGPT invoices whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,